Installing recessed LED lights in this room. That's the little connectors. Removing the little knockout. Installing the cable clamp connector. Tightening down the lock nut. Cutting off the excess wire. Sliding both wires inside the clamp connector and box. Tightening down the clamp connector. Time to remove the electrical wire jacket. Now stripping all my wires. Now time to connect my wires using the push-in connectors. Giving them a little tug to make sure they're connected properly. Setting it to 5000K. Pop this in place. There we go, LED recessed lights installed. Thanks for watching.